Good morning. Out here walking before the day gets too hot. It's supposed to be pushing 100 degrees today. I don't know if you heard that. I just realized yesterday Hazel, the minute I step out of the room and Hazel cannot see me, he does a high-pitched whistle, and I always respond, I'm right here. And then yesterday, he said it again. He has started saying, I'm right here. It's not very clear. I'm right here. So now he does the high-pitched whistle and immediately says, I'm right here. He started doing that. Did you hear it? He just did it again. I'm right here. I know that's what he's saying. It's not very clear. I'm right here. But that's the whistle that I respond to. I'm right here. And I just discovered or noticed it. It was not yesterday. It was Tuesday afternoon, on June the 30th. That's when I noticed it. So friggin' cute. I'm right here. He is really just so cute.